So there's 7 of them. Let's start with Cybersecurity Analyst. As a cybersecurity analyst, you're going to monitor an organization's network for potential threats, respond to security breaches, and implement security measures to protect systems. This job is in high demand and can often be done remotely, especially with the help of security monitoring tools and cloud-based platforms. The second one is ethical hacker, penetration tester. Ethical hackers test the security of networks, systems, and applications by attempting to exploit vulnerabilities. So many penetration testers work remotely, conducting security assessments through online tools and virtual environments. The third one now, security software engineer. Security software engineers develop and maintain software tools that protect against malware, ransomware, and other cyber threats. So this job can be done remotely, and you'll often collaborate with teams using version control and remote communication tools. The fourth one, incident responder. So incident responders are the first line of defense when a security breach occurs. So they investigate incidents containing threats and help prevent future attacks. So many organizations offer remote incident response positions, allowing professionals to work from anywhere while managing security incidents. The fifth one is security consultant. So security consultants provide expert advice to organizations on how to improve their cybersecurity posture. And as a remote security consultant, you're going to assess an organization's security practices, recommend improvements, and help implement solutions, all from the comfort of your own home. The sixth one, cloud security engineer. So with more business moving to cloud services, cloud security engineers are in high demand. These professionals secure cloud-based infrastructures and applications. Cloud security often is a remote work. It involves managing cloud platforms, securing cloud storage, and configuring access controls. The seventh is risk management specialist. So cybersecurity risk management specialists assess the potential risks to an organization's security and develop strategies to mitigate them. Okay? So many risk management positions can be done remotely, making it a great option for those seeking flexibility in their careers. Leave me a like. Love ya.